In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an appointment on Calendly. If you need to remove a scheduled meeting from your calendar, Calendly makes the process simple and quick. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly how to cancel an appointment so the meeting is properly removed and the other person is automatically notified. To begin, log into your Calendly account. Make sure you're using the correct account if you manage more than one profile or scheduling page. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your main Calendly dashboard, where you can access your meetings and scheduling activity. Next, look to the left sidebar and click on Meetings. This section shows your scheduled appointments, including upcoming events. If you have several meetings listed, take a moment to find the specific appointment you want to cancel. It's a good idea to double-check the date, time, and event name so you cancel the correct one. Once you've found the appointment, click on the meeting to open its details panel. This panel gives you more information about the event, such as the time, participants, and any related notes. Reviewing these details before canceling can help prevent mistakes, especially if you have multiple similar bookings. After the details panel opens, go to the top right corner and click the Cancel button. This starts the cancellation process. In some cases, Calendly may ask you to provide a cancellation reason. If prompted, enter a short explanation. This can be helpful for the invitee since it gives them a little context about why the meeting is no longer taking place. When you're ready, confirm the cancellation. This is the final step that officially removes the appointment from your schedule. Be sure you want to cancel before confirming, because this action will update the meeting status right away. After the cancellation is confirmed, Calendly will automatically send a cancellation notification to the invitee. This is useful because you won't need to send a separate message manually in most cases. The system handles the update for you, helping keep everyone informed and reducing confusion. And that's all it takes to cancel an appointment on Calendly. It's a straightforward process. Sign in, open your meetings, select the appointment, cancel it, and confirm. Using the built-in cancellation feature is the best way to make sure your calendar stays accurate and your invitee receives the proper notification. Thanks for watching.